In this problem, you have to use the properties of similar triangles to find the missing lengths. The reason we know these two triangles are similar, that's because they have the same measure of angles. For example, so this pair, so that means this angle and this angle, they have an equal measure, okay? And this angle and this angle, they have an equal measure, and this angle and this angle, they have an equal measure. So in this case, that means these two angles have the same shape but different size. Okay, so when you have pairs of triangles like this, we call them as similar triangles. Okay, so if we have similar triangles, then there are some properties we can use. Okay, and if you look at the corresponding size, okay, the corresponding size, for example, this side, okay, and this side, okay, so these two are corresponding sides. That's because, okay, look at the other side, okay, of this side. So these two angles, remember, they are equal, right? So if they're equal, then this side and this side here are called corresponding sides. Okay, so the ratio of the lengths of these corresponding sides, so that's how we write it. For example, 12 over x, so that's the ratio of this pair of corresponding side. Okay, now let's look at another pair of corresponding side. Remember, these two angles, okay, are equal, right? These two angles are equal. So that means this side and this side are corresponding sides. So let's write out its ratio. So 24, so that's the length of this side. Then over the length of this side, so that's 12. Okay, so this is the ratio of the second pair of corresponding side. Then the third pair, of course, is going to be 18 and 9, right? Remember, that's because this angle and this angle here are equal. So that means these two sides are corresponding sides. So we have 18 over 9. So if we have similar triangles like what we are having in this case, these ratios are going to be equal, okay, are going to be equal. So now you may realize, oh, okay, we can use this to find the missing lengths, okay? And actually, you don't need all three of them. All you need are just two of them, okay? So you know 12 over x, okay, equal to 24 over 12. So basically that means what? That means 12 over x equal to 2, right? Because 24 over 12, that's 2. Okay, so from here you can easily get what x is. Okay, so x has to be 6. Okay, because if you take a look, the ratio actually is 2 over 1, right? So that means the length of the sides of this bigger triangle is always twice as much as the length of of this smaller triangle. Okay, so this x must be 6. So 12 over 6 equal to 24 over 12 equal to 18 over 9. Okay, so the ratio is always 2 to 1. Okay, so that is how you use similar triangle to find things like this. Okay, so similar triangles basically are triangles with the same measure of angles. Okay, so they have the same shape but different size. Okay, when you have a pair of triangles like that, then the ratio of the length of the corresponding sides will always be the same. Okay, so you can use this property to solve a lot of problems. So hopefully this will help you.